Welcome back in our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add tags to your YouTube video. First off, you need to open the YouTube app. Then tap on your profile picture located at the lower right part of your screen. Tap on Your Videos. You can add tags on new videos or edit them to the uploaded videos. Then tap on the three vertical dots alongside the video, tap Edit, then tap on Add Tags. For example, I will put Mobile Legends here, MLBB, and click Gameplay. Then make sure to tap on Save. And there you go. You have now successfully added tags to your YouTube video. That is all for this video. See you on the next one.